The FA-50 is a light supersonic multi-role jet powered by a single General Electric F-4O for turbofan with afterburner, giving it a maximum speed of about Mach 1.5 and a service ceiling above 45,000 feet. Its airframe is a compact, agile design derived from the T-50 family with a maximum takeoff weight near 12,200 kilograms and a clean internal fuel load complemented by external tanks when extended range is required. These attributes let the FA-50 operate as a fast trainer, light strike platform, and short-range air defender for smaller air forces. Range, endurance, and combat radius. Typical published figures show a ferry range over 1,800 kilometers and a combat radius in the order of 200 to 300 nautical miles depending on configuration, weapons, and external tanks. With 3 external tanks or the newer larger external fuel tanks available on later batches, the combat radius increases significantly for strike or patrol missions. In practical terms, this means an FA-50 operating from an air base in the Philippines can reach and return from many littoral and archipelagic targets inside the country's exclusive economic zone without air-to-air refueling. But it is not a long-range interceptor or deep penetration strike aircraft. Payload and weapons employment including AGM-65 Maverick. The FA-50 can carry roughly 4.5 tons of external stores on multiple hardpoints. The Philippine Air Force has integrated the AGM-65 Maverick for precision air-to-ground and anti-ship roles and has used it in live firings. That gives the FA-50 a proven, tactical standoff strike option against maritime and ground targets at tactical ranges. The jet also routinely carries short-range air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-9 family for self-defense. Block upgrade packages add targeting pods and store integration that improve day, night, and all-weather employment of guided weapons. For the FA-50PH, this combination transforms the type from a trainer light attack jet into an effective light multi-role fighter for counter-surface and precision strike missions. Avionics, sensors, and mission systems. FA-50 variants used for light combat include modern avionics suites and radar, fire control like the LT-M2032 or equivalent, plus digital fly-by-wire flight controls. Recent Philippines block upgrades add targeting pod integration and improved mission systems, increasing accuracy for Mavericks and guided bombs and improving situational awareness in contested littoral environments. The integrated combat systems and sensors make the jet effective for armed reconnaissance, close air support, and maritime strike within its tactical envelope. Handling, maneuverability, and sortie utility. The jet is agile for its class with plus 8G limits in the design, responsive fly-by-wire controls, and good low-altitude handling. Those qualities make it suitable both for advanced pilot training and for the dogfight or defensive maneuvers required of a light fighter. Its single-engine layout helps lower acquisition and sustainment costs, but also means the platform has lower redundancy compared with twin-engine fighters. Turnaround and sortie generation rates are favorable for small air forces because maintenance and operating costs are lower than heavy fighters. Strengths where the FA-50 really shines. Cost-effectiveness, much cheaper to buy and operate than full-sized fighters while covering many peacetime and low-intensity combat roles. Multi-role flexibility, trainer, close air support, interdiction, maritime strike, and air policing with modular loadouts. Proven weapons integration, Maverick live firings show credible anti-ship, ground strike capability without expensive heavy fighters. Upgradability, newer blocks add targeting pods, larger fuel tanks, and weapons options, giving growth potential. Limitations and cautions. Limited BVR air superiority. Out of the box, the FA-50 lacks long range beyond visual range missiles and advanced AESA radars common on modern 4th and 5th generation fighters. So it is at a disadvantage in contested airspace against high-end opponents. Upgrades can mitigate but not eliminate this. Single-engine trade-offs lower operating cost but reduced engine redundancy compared with twin-engine fighters, which can matter in contested or long over-water missions. Payload and range ceiling, effective for regional and littoral operations but not aimed at deep strategic strike without tanker support. Bottom line, operational role for the Philippines. For the Philippine Air Force, the FA-50PH is a pragmatic and capable choice. It restores an immediate, affordable precision strike and air defense posture, provides advanced training for fighter pilots, and with the Maverick and block upgrades becomes a credible platform for maritime strike and close air support in archipelagic operations. It is not a replacement for high-end air superiority fighters, but it is highly effective within its tactical envelope and budget profile.